वाईफाई प्रॉब्लम्स, नेटवर्क नहीं है, पानी नहीं आता, फैकल्टी बहुत बुरी है, मैनेजमेंट बहुत बुरी है. Is all the bad reviews that you guys have read all over the internet. Let's see how much of it is true. Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing fine. So I read all your comments about how you all are so scared about the negative reviews that you have heard about our college on internet and you are not able to decide if you should join or not. Now obviously I can't tell you if you should join or not, that's your decision. But I can do tell you my experience on all those negative things that you have heard about the college. Before starting the video, I'll ask you one thing. How many times have you heard people saying that engineering is a very bad option or very bad career option? So many times. How many times have you heard people saying that commerce is bad, BBA is bad, BCom is bad, MBBS is bad in India, doctors are not valued, arts is bad. I mean, what is good? There are thousands and millions of opinions, but one life that you have, and you should not let other people's opinion change your decisions of your life. Don't let them influence you. You read thousands of things related to what you want to do, and you alter your decisions based on that, which is not right. अभी तुम्हें कॉलेज ज्वाइन करना है, यू आर रीडिंग रिव्यूज, दैट्स फाइन, बट यू शुड नॉट लेट दैट change your decision. Abhi you are asking me to tell you if you should join the college. How can someone, complete stranger, tell you something that you will have to live with for the next 4 years and even after that? So you should not rely on other people. You should not rely on other people's opinions and you should think of your own. Now obviously I can tell you that how much of that is true and how much of that is not true. But I cannot tell you if you should join or not. Now I'll start with the first bad review, which is Wi-Fi problem. Now someone commented that they have read कि बहुत ज़्यादा Wi-Fi problem है. I'm in 24 batch, मेरा भी 1 साल ही हुआ है, and 1 साल में only when the classes are too crowded. For example, my CPP class had like 150 students. Only in that class I faced Wi-Fi problems. Otherwise I never faced Wi-Fi problems as such in campus or even in hostels. Like once in a month कभी कभी हो जाता था, but आई हैव नेवर फेस्ड ऐसे कि वाईफाई नहीं होता था या नेटवर्क ही नहीं आता था. सो आई डोंट नो, मे बी लाइक ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट अ लाई. किसी ने सच में उसे फेस किया होगा तो उसने वो रिव्यू डाला, बट इट डज नॉट मीन कि हर वक्त वाईफाई नहीं होता या नेटवर्क नहीं होता. गाइज ऐसा नहीं होता है. हाँ, इतना फास्ट नहीं होता कि तुम वहाँ पे यूट्यूब वीडियो अपलोड कर दो, बट इट इज़ फाइन. तुम वीडियोस देख सकते हो, तुम मूवीज़ देख सकते हो, तुम वेब सीरीज़ देख सकते हो, तुम पढ़ाई का कर सकते हो. सो इतना नेट होता है, इतना वाईफाई होता है. और सिम का, आई हैड जियो का सिम और इट वर्क्स फाइन फॉर मी. Obviously it does not mean that if it works fine for me it will work fine for you and everyone else. No, it works fine for me, maybe it will not work fine for you. Okay, so but yeah, मेरे लिए जियो का सिम was fine. The second question or the second bad review was कि यहाँ पे पानी नहीं आता है, water problem. Guys, I am from 24 batch. 23 batch के seniors did face water crisis, yes, but उसके बाद VIT took care of it. अभी मेरे year में I did not as such face a lot of ऐसा कि पानी ही नहीं था, मैं नहा ही नहीं पा रहे थे बच्चे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. Like there are 8 wings in my girls hostel block 2. There are like 8 wings on each floor. तो कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता था कि 8 में से 2 wings में पानी नहीं आ रहा, so you can go to the other wing and it's not like कि तुम्हें 1 किलोमीटर दूर नहाने जाना पड़ रहा है. You just take your bucket and you go to the other wing. So I don't understand how it's a very big problem. मतलब I didn't face problem in it. एक दिन ऐसा ये भी हुआ था कि पानी किसी भी फ्लोर पे नहीं आ रहा था, but they fixed it and next day was fine. So yes, कभी कभी हो जाता है, बट ऐसा नहीं कि पानी नहीं आता है तुम्हें बाल्टी लेके 2 किलोमीटर दूर भर के लाना पड़ेगा. No guys, it's not like that. Third bad review is that the teachers are very bad. Now I find this so unfair for the teachers who work really hard to educate us and to do best in their field. Like how can you say that the teachers are bad? Teachers हर जगह अच्छे ही होते हैं. Yes, there are some teachers who are really rude, but it is like 1 in 10. तो तुम उसके बेसिस पे जो 9 teachers को जज नहीं कर सकते हो. The 9 teachers who are giving all they have, you can't judge them on the basis of 1 bad teacher. और वो bad teacher भी ऐसा नहीं कि वो हर वक्त ही bad रहता है, बस कभी कभी होता है ना उनका मूड ख़राब हो जाता है. तो वो तो हर कॉलेज में, हर स्कूल में होता है कि कभी कभी टीचर्स का दिमाग ख़राब हो जाता है, गुस्से में आ जाते हैं, बट दैट डज नॉट मेक देम अ बैड टीचर. उसके बाद एक चीज़ है विच आई थिंक इन्फ्लुएंसेस very badly in the teacher-student relationship, and that is these bad reviews. I personally, जब मैंने ये reviews पढ़े थे ना, मुझे भी लगा था teachers अच्छे नहीं होंगे. तो when you read these things, you make a perception before coming to a place that these people will be like this, and that perception, it influences your actions. तो तुम उनको disrespectfully बात करोगे, उनको छोटा समझोगे कि ये तो गवार है, तो उन चीज़ों की वजह से देन दैट टीचर विल ऑब्वियसली रेसिप्रोकेट योर बैड वाइब्स, एंड वो भी तुम्हारे साथ वैसे बिहेव करेंगे. सो डोंट पहले से परसेप्शन बनाकर मत आओ. डोंट मेक अ परसेप्शन बिफोर हैविंग एन एनकाउंटर विद देम, बिफोर हैविंग अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद देम, बिफोर लर्निंग फ्रॉम देम, बिकॉज दैट इज़ अनफेयर टू देम. डोंट थिंक कि टीचर्स बुरे हैं. लाइक I had some really good teachers. For example, I would not name all, but मेरे एक calculus के teacher थे, अंकित पाल sir. He was such a good teacher. Like I used to be the child जो जिसका आंसर आ भी जाता था तो वो नहीं बोलता था, but मैं sir की क्लास में ऐसे कूद के आंसर बताती थी कि sir मेरा आंसर आ गया. So that is how much he influenced me. He was such a nice teacher. So don't judge teachers just because you have read on internet that they are not good. टीचर कैसे बुरा हो सकता है? कुछ टीचर्स हो सकते हैं, मे बी किसी का बहुत बुरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा हो, बट टीचर्स, I don't think so. Teachers are that bad. Now the fourth one was that the management is very bad. I would say that management, देखो मेरा इतना कुछ particular strong encounter नहीं हुआ है किसी management से. I did have one very bad experience with one management, which I will not name. But उसके अलावा I had some really good experiences too, right? Like for example, there was one teacher, like one warden. She's warden, and I went to her and I said that ma'am, मैं first year के end में सारा सामान नहीं लेके जा पाऊँगी, please help me. And she did help me. So देखो, you will find good people and bad people everywhere. You can't ignore the good because of the bad, and you can't just focus on the bad parts of something. Yes, there is some bad management, 1 out of 10, 1 out of 100, maybe, yes, but there are some good people too. So I would say कि हाँ, just what you can do is stay away from the bad. ऐसा नहीं तुम उनसे जाके बहस करने लग जाओ, because that will be bad for you only, and then तुम्हें ही पकड़ा जाएगा कि तुमने ऐसे कैसे बात करी. Just ignore the bad things and focus on the good parts. So yes, this was the fourth biggest stress for students, कि management बहुत बुरी है. तो हाँ, वो मैंने बता दिया. Let me think if there's something else. Wait. Okay, so these were the only bad reviews that I could come across with in your comments, which you all did. उसके अलावा भी if you have some other डर कि हाँ ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा, you can let me know. I will tell you. I will help you. Also, if you have any more doubts, you can definitely message me on Instagram. I would request you, please don't send request because my account is private. You can message me. I will definitely see your messages. अभी तक मुझे आए थे 5-10 messages, उनका मैं reply कर चुकी हूँ. So अगर तुम्हें भी कोई doubt है, you can definitely message me. और comments में please don't ask me कि मैं college लूँ कि नहीं. I cannot tell you कि तुम college लो या नहीं. मैं तुम्हें सिर्फ अपना experience बता सकती हूँ. I cannot tell you कि ये करो या ये ना करो. I am also a student, और I can't influence your 4 साल का decision. That is your decision. That is something you have to do. तुम्हें 4 साल college में रहना, उसके बाद भी वो college life is always with you. So that is your decision. Decide yourself. I can't help you in that. Okay, so that is it from my side. If you have any more questions and queries, you can comment down or you can DM me anything you want. This is my Instagram. And all the best to whoever is joining. Wish you all good luck and see you all. Bye.